Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to back a project on Kickstarter step by step. First of all, head to kickstarter.com and log in or create a free account. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and make sure to watch till the end. Go to the Play Store and install the Kickstarter and log into your account using Google or Facebook. After you have logged in, you can also use the browser. With the help of browser you can also log in. Now first of all, find a project. Browse or use the search bar to find a project you want to support. Search from here, you can search from here. Select the category which you want. You can use comics, craft, dance, design, fashion as your wish. After you have find the project, click on that project. Now click step 3 is to click back this project. After you have opened your favorite project, you will see back this project option. On the right hand side, hit the green back this project button. At the below you will see the back this button project. Click on that. Then choose a reward tier. Select the place level you want. Some tiers come with rewards like exclusive items or early access. If you don't want a reward, you can still place without it. Then enter your payment details. Kickstarter use secure payment processing. You will only be charged if the project reaches its funding goal. Then another step is to confirm your pledge. Review everything, then click pledge to finalize your support. And that's it, you have officially backed a Kickstarter project. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.